What's your favorite kind of bike? Do you have one?
Beneficent, teach your wife's intelligent. Tell me, teach her where you been, making way to go for mine like Barry White.
It's in the back, there might be parking back there.
Okay.
Beneficent, teach your wife's intelligent. Tell me, teach her where you been, making way to go for mine like Barry White in a sacred garden. Am I gonna rock 'em? Pardon, show you right. Might go stumble in a disco, no blunts, no stunts, and I'm anti-Cisco. Not even a Heineken, wife's about to shine again.
Okay, hold on. Anna, hold on. Ready? Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Made it to the One Moto show. Here we are in the parking lot. Here's Douglas. Looking good, my man.
Made it.
Teresa and Reg. The ladies.
We made it! I know.
Upstairs or anything.
Does it?
How many bikes upstairs?
Yeah.
They do pick pretty badass locations too. Like it's the warehouse is the same. Like
Yeah.
it's just happening. Remember, all of these you don't touch, okay?
What do you think?
Get a picture of the 14 Indians.
What are you getting?
Huh? Getting a patch.
Moto Show. What'd you think?
That's cool.
Better than last year?
A lot better than last year, a lot bigger, a lot more organized, I think.
Yeah, me too. All right, see ya.
Meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the blue skies drive the dark clouds far away.